Welcome back, guys. New Routines Plus just hit the update. Just in routine creates routine that now brief will remind you of at specific times. Supported on One UI 7, so not only One UI 8 but also One UI 7 and above devices. So the version is 1.118. So I've updated this. How does it look like, guys? You start your good look, you navigate to Routines Plus, all right, and then there's going to be something here at the end called the new Just-in routine. Let me start it one more time. I'm going to start Routines Plus. All right. So here it is, Just-in routine. Display things that are easy to miss in daily life on Now Brief cards, which is helpful because you can create a custom set of routines, or there are some templates which I'm going to show you, and directly add them to your home screen. So press the button. All right. Then you're going to get here this icon. Click the icon. I'm now going to delete this one to show you really what you're gonna get. So this is gonna be the first screen. Just-in routines list. Prepare what you need to remember easily. You create your own routine, so you can create a custom one, or transfer, shopping, plant watering, doctor visit, digit-based exercise of your charge. So let's create a shopping one. Okay, you can press next. Then you can title it the way you want. You can also add some details. Then you press next, and you can either do no action, or like in my case, I can decide that the card will remind me to open AliExpress, and then you can choose where to repeat, like the frequency, weekly, monthly, date, last digit, or daily. I'm going to choose daily, and right now I'm going to choose a custom time, which is going to be 15:27. all right, I just want to show you the card, so I'm going to put here 15. All right, I'm going to put 15:28 because we are already past 27. So let me just 15 here, and here I'm going to dial in 28. I just want to show you how this is going to look in the Now Brief. So I'm going to press confirm. I'm going to press next. Here it is. I'm going to press complete, and now here, don't forget to buy daily necessities today. And you can go and you can delete this. You can always modify it, and you can see the power of it. So now when the clock turns to 15:27, I'm going to go back to my Now Brief, which I'm going to show you already, and hopefully it's going to be a card. So right now there is no card, but you can see that the Now Brief is already getting enhanced because I'm right now in Greece apparently, and it's showing me some contextual information. I can get some nice places nearby, like restaurants and cafes and etc. There is some weather and etc. Oh, and here it is, guys. Here's something you need to do today. Don't forget to buy daily necessities today. And from here, guys, I can directly hit it, and it's going to open AliExpress. All right. And next time I open the Now Brief, hopefully the card is going to be here. Here's something you need to do today. I can click also on need to do today. Nothing's going to happen, but you can click here, and from here I can also try to edit and add a new one. So you can be really whatever you want to be, and you can trigger certain actions. Okay, short video. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you like videos like this, you know what to do. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.